Yes, ma'am. You can start.
Jai Shri Krishna. Good afternoon. I welcome you all for the national webinar on cloud-based Google services by Dr. Urmila Shravankar, Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, GHRCE, RTM, Nagpur University, India. Conducted by PG and Research Department of Applications, Computer Applications, MCA. D. Bharatdas Govardhan Das Vaishnav College, Chennai, India. Now I invite Dr. T. Velmurugan, Associate Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Applications, MCA, DG Vaishnav College, to give the welcome address and also introduce the resource person as well. Sir, please.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, one and all. It's my pleasure to welcome you all for this webinar on cloud-based Google services. On behalf of the Department of Computer Applications, namely called as MCA department in DG Vaishnav College, and on behalf of the management and on behalf of the principal and staff members, I welcome you, the resource person, Dr. Urmila Sharwankar from Nagpur University, GH Raisani College of Engineering, Nagpur. Welcome you, ma'am. In this juncture, I would like to introduce our resource person. He is a well-known person in the field of computer science and engineering all over India, not only all over India, also in the worldwide. Dr. Urmila Sharwankar received her PhD degree in computer science and engineering from SGB Amravati University and MTech degree in computer science and engineering from RTM Nagpur University. Her area of interest includes high performance computing, advanced operating system, distributed and parallel computing, cloud computing, real-time computing, algorithms, assistive technology, and etc. She is an author of 2 books, one book editor, 9 book chapters, and more than 175 research papers in international journals and conferences of high repute. She has published 16 patents. Also, she received 2 RGSTC research grant and one international travel grant award from DST Government of India. And also, she awarded UGC minor project grant. Dr. Urmila Sharwankar is serving many journals as editorial board member and as a member international advisory board for many conferences and webinars and other kind of technology oriented, education oriented organizations. Moreover, she is serving as a reviewer for many refereed journals and reputed conferences. She participated in many international conferences worldwide as a core organizing committee member, technical program committee member, special session chair, and session chair. She also has served as a core member of IEEE International Conference on Emerging Trends and Technology, ICETET, from the year 2018 to 2015. And organizing member of Elsewhere International Conference on Information Security and Privacy, actually which is held during 2015. Dr. Urmila is a member of IEEE, SM means senior member of IEEE, ACM, CSI, ISTE, IE, IAENG, and etc. Under her guidance, 51 UG, which includes both B and BTech projects groups, 72 PG, that is MTech project scholars, and 1 ME by research scholar completed their projects, and 3 PhD research scholars are working under her. At present, Dr. Urmila is working with the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, GH Raiswani College of Engineering affiliated to RTM Nagpur University, Nagpur, India. I welcome you, ma'am. We are very happy about the short span of notice you accepted to deliver your thoughts in front of us uh, uh, in order to share your knowledge to our students. Welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for the detailed introduction and your invitation for the national level webinar. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
Ma'am.
sir. Ma'am, now the forum is all yours, ma'am. Ma'am, you can begin, ma'am, please.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. You can share your PPT, ma'am. அவங்க வெளியிலே போயிட்டாங்க. ஐயோ. Just wait, some problems. She will come back. Yes, ma'am, you can share your screen.
Good afternoon. I hope screen is visible to you.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
And the audio
Yes,
is
you
also
can proceed.
clear. Okay.
Yes, you can proceed, ma'am.
Good afternoon, and I welcome all the participants for this particular webinar. And this webinar is basically for the Google services, and these are the cloud-based Google services. Now I will show you, and I will again explain the complete details about these services, and I will show you the importance of the cloud computing in this particular era. The cloud computing refers to the application and the services that run on the distributed network. This is very, very important because nowadays no one is sitting at a particular place and doing their computation. Everyone is having the smartphone and the smart devices, and using these devices, they can do the computing facility anywhere, everywhere, and anytime. And the cloud gives you the particular function and the facility to work everywhere. So that is the importance of the distributed network using the virtualized resources. That means though the resources are not available with your device, but you can connect it and you can get the benefit of these resources from anywhere. These are not owned by you, but you can subscribe that. And this facility is given by the cloud computing and access by the common internet protocol, means no need to do anything else. Just using the browser, you can access this facility with a general networking standards. The resources are limitless and the virtual. Though it is virtual, but it will act like you are the owner of that particular resource, and there is no limit for using this. Using the cloud computing environment, just you need to pay for that particular resource subscription only for that uses only. Suppose you are using for 1 hour, you need to subscribe for the 1 hour and you need to pay for that. The details of the physical system is abstracted from the user. Means user does not know from where you are getting this facility and from the resources. So this is the good thing about the cloud computing, and using this cloud environment, the cloud gives us the facility for services, and these all services offered by the cloud are mainly divided into the three category, that is the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and the software as a service. Infrastructure mainly deal about the complete setup and the configuration of that particular environment. Platform is for the development environment, for the development of the services, and SaaS, that is the software as a services. That means any application or any service directly user can access it. So, for the today's lecture, we are focusing for the SaaS, that is the software as a service, and this service is provided mainly for the Google. Google is a very big vendor in the cloud computing, and it gives us the facility for these services, accessing these services. I think from that particular slide, there are many more icons are there, and these are very known icons to you. But some services are unknown also. I will be explaining these services, and these are easily available through the Google. And that's why it is very, very popular. And I hope everyone knows that what are the facility given by the Google. Now, Google facilities are divided again with the web-based product like a searching tool, advertising services, communication and publishing tool, then some development like a security tool, map-related product, statistical tool. Some desktop applications are also available. Then mobile application, you can work directly from the mobile. Then hardware based application are also available, services and the operating system. Today we are focusing on the web based application and the development tools. Now, one good facility for the Google, there are many more services and the applications are available. We can access through the website or the browser. But only one account is sufficient to access any type of Google service. Means no need to log in with a different account for that particular service, and it is called as the Google account. Once it is created, you can access any facility with the same account. Is a user account that is required for accessing an authentication and authorization to the certain online Google service. For example, Gmail, Google Plus, then Google Classroom, then Google Meet, Blogger, and lot many applications are available. Those are having the Google services, and only single account is sufficient for that. Now, very first thing, everyone is using the search engine, and this Google search engine is very, very powerful engine. For searching any data, the Google account is not required. Anyone can directly go to the browser, any browser, not necessarily Google browser, that is the Chrome browser, but you can access this particular service from any browser. You can search any information. Actually, the internet is an ocean of information, but how to get the proper information, that is very, very important. And Google is having lot many algorithms for that, for searching the information very quickly and very accurately. So simply you need to start the Google with the Google co.in, and then you can write down your query in that particular blank place. You will be getting the complete list of that particular information. Suppose here I am entering the Google games. So I will be computer games. I will be getting the list of related to the computer game website. Appropriate website you can select, and then you can search that. This second service is Gmail. Nowadays, no one is using the postal mailing service. Everyone is using the e-mailing service, that is the electronic mail, and it is very, very easy and the quick access you get it for that. So just you log into the account, again the same account, wherever you are creating the Google account, that is sufficient for accessing the email account with the Google, and then you log in it, you will be getting your emails. These emails you can read it and then you can write it also. Okay, for writing, this is the interface provided by the Google, and it is a very simple and very clear cut This interface is there, everyone can use it. I hope everyone is having the Google account and they are accessing the Gmail and they are using the other services which are related to the Google. Now this is very important service given by the Google Drive. I told you at the beginning only, nowadays no one is sitting in front of the machine for the computation purpose. They are accessing their computation power from anywhere, everywhere and anytime. So definitely no need to carry your laptop, your any other device with you, isn't it? In the old days, we used to carry the computer with us, computer, laptop and other things for the presentation purpose and all. Nowadays it is not required. Pen drive is also not essential or no need to carry the CD for your presentation and all. Just you create that document, presentation, Google Sheet and many other documents and you can store it under the Google Drive. This drive is available on the cloud of the Google so that you can access that particular document anywhere, everywhere without any hardware device carrying with you. Because nowadays internet facility is available everywhere. Just you access your Google Drive anywhere and then you can read your document. So this is a very nice facility. One more thing, if you share that document, then you can work this document with a multiple users simultaneously. And for that, the Google Drive is important. Just I will show you how to create a Google Drive. Just log on to your Google account. Then find the Google Drive, you will get it. Locate where to create a Google document on the Google Drive. I want to create that particular Google Drive and I want to store the document under that drive. Download the Google Drive directly to your computer and you can use that particular drive anywhere. What are the benefits? There are multiple benefits are there, but the major benefit is accessing your documents on the Google Drive anywhere and anytime. This is very important. Now this is just a simple process. You can open the Google Chrome and after opening the Google Chrome, just see the drive, that tab is available. Click on that drive tab. Once you are signed, you can select my drive and you can see all the document that you have made for that particular Google Drive. So after that, you can create the document under that particular drive and you can also create the document with a spreadsheet presentation. Just create under that particular drive. It will give you the facility to access that particular document anywhere. Then how to share that? You can select that, click on the share with me to see what document that people have shared with you. So you will be getting the list of the document. These are shared with you and you can share your document with the other people also. So both way sharing is possible. That way collaborative accessing of that particular document is possible. You can download that drive directly on your machine so that afterward you can use it like a folder. Download the Google Drive directly to the machine. To get the full benefit of the Google Drive, download it directly to your computer or you can directly download to your smartphone also. You will now have the Google Drive on your computer to use it and you can access the Google document that are attached with a file and you can use this particular document for the mail and other purpose. When the Google Drive is downloaded to your computer, it will appear as an available drive and you will be able to use it like this is your own drive. I will show you this picture. Now you can see on my screen there is a symbol Google Drive. You can even download that Google Drive app onto your Google Chrome homepage and you can download on your phone or the tablet which is having the Android operating system. Now, how to access the file? There are three options are there. Number one is sign into the Google Drive on the web at the drive.google.com. Second option is available. Open the Google Drive folder on your computer that is created when you install the Google Drive on your PC, and go to the Google Drive mobile app on your Android or the iOS device. So these three options are available. Using three options, you can access your file anywhere, everywhere, anytime. That is the good facility provided by the Google through the Google Drive. Now, how to create the Google Docs in that particular drive? So these docs are like a document, then spreadsheet, presentation, forms, survey. There are multiple documents are there. You can use it. I will show you 2-3 options there. Google Drive is a new home for the Google Docs. Create and share your work online and access your document from anywhere. Manage the documents, spreadsheet, presentation, surveys, and many more things from the one location. This is the facility given by the Google Drive using the Google Doc. Now there is an option, this document will be same as our Word file, but there is additional button, that is the share button. If you share that particular file with anyone, so simultaneously you can work on the same document parallelly, and both or multiple person can access the same document. This is the good facility and you can access from anywhere. This is the sheet, Google Sheet. Again, this is a shared Google Sheet. You can access it anywhere and you can do the computation. Multiple person can open that particular sheet and they can also update the sheet simultaneously. Now, Google Form is also a wonderful facility for taking the feedback and any other through electronically. For example, today you are listening the lecture and suppose you want to provide the feedback. The organizer can create a form and they can take your opinion through the form. So for that particular purpose, how to create a form, that I will show you. Using this form, you can take online exams also, because the question answering facility is there. Some question you can write down. You can write down the answer also, which will be available to the user, but who is creating that particular person can access that question using this answer, and whenever you are submitting you will get a score. The part of the Google Drive, create a form and the survey and deliver electronically. Means you can send or you can share that particular form to the user. Responses are collected in a spreadsheet. You can find out what are the answers shared by the users and directly you can analyze that particular spreadsheet. That facility is also available in the form. It is very simple for use purpose. Then variety of the ways to deliver the form. You can directly send through the email or a shared link will be generated, and using the shared link you can give that. Responses are collected electronically. This is a paperless, complete paperless, quickly and easily collected data and integrated into the Google Drive. The Google Drive, I told you the facility, anywhere, everywhere, and again anytime. Now this is the simple way to create a form. This form you can open the Google Drive. There are multiple options are there. Select form. After selecting the form, if you want to create a colorful form, you can use any template which is available, or you can just say blank. The blank template is there. You can create your own design and your model for that particular thing, or you can directly use the ready-made template. After opening that, then you need to give the name to that particular form. It is untitled, and after that using the rename, you give the form name. Suppose I have given the name form presentation and then you save that using the done button. After saving that, then you start entering the question. Write down the question and you can give the options also. You can write down multiple question over there, and there are 3-4 categories are there for using the question. The categories are text, paragraph, multiple choice question, using the check boxes, then choose from the list, then the scale, grid, date, time, and lot many things are available. Then you can select the option for giving the feedback for the user. After completing this, just press a done button after entering all the question. Then you can share that. This is the one of the example here. The question is given that, and then answers is yes and no. The multiple choice question is there and you can select it. After completing that, press the done button. After completion of the creation of the form, then you can send that particular form through the link or you can email it. Suppose you want to email it, then you need to write down the email addresses over there and then just say send, or directly you can send the link through the email. Now suppose I want these answers in a Google Sheet. So this facility is available. You create a new Google Sheet for the response sheet, so that whatever the answers you will be getting, it will be available in the Google Sheet. Now how to view that particular responses or the answers we are getting from the users. The view responses button is there. You click on that, you will get this particular view. This is the view for the responses we are getting through the form, and you can analyze these responses. For the analysis also, there is a option is available, and this option, using that particular option, you can do the analysis part also. This particular link you can share through the website also, so that using the website, suppose you are sending this form, or anyone can click on your website and select the form and they can send the responses. Now I want to see the summary. How many persons are saying yes for any particular answer? How many persons are saying no or the neutral answer? Means that particular summary. Visually also you can do it. The graphical representation is also available in that particular form. So this is a very good facility is available in the Google, and this is a cloud-based facility. We can use it for the examination purpose or for the survey and the question answer. Next facility, Google Scholar. Now those are doing their own research and they are doing the publication. The publication we publish it, publisher publishes that particular your paper, journal article or the conference paper. But how to view that particular paper is visible on the website, and it is the index one. So Google Scholar gives the indexing to that particular paper and it adds into the database of the Google. You can check it using that particular facility. Just you log into the your account, and after logging it, just you can say create your Scholar account. Once you create the Scholar account, it is the Google's responsibility to search your paper and add it into the profile. So your profile, whenever you open your profile using the just Google login, you will get all the paper listed in that particular profile. I will show you the example. This is my own profile and I have created it. After creation, Google has searched all the paper and Google is giving the analysis about my profile. So this is my profile. It is giving me the citations also, what is the high index, H10 and the other graphical representation for yearly citations also. So this is a very nice profile created by the Google for the researcher. One more thing, you can check your co-author who is citing your paper, and every research facility for related to the publication is available in the Google Scholar. So if you are not created your profile and you are having the publication, today only after this lecture, I will request you to create your Google Scholar profile. Now, Google is giving the statistical analytics also. And for that, no need to write the program. No need to do anything from your side. If you are having your website for the business purpose or for any purpose, then you can do the analytics about the product, about the visitor and other things also. And this facility is available in the Google, and this is the free of cost. You can do it. Just you can say, you can check what is the traffic for that website which is you have created. Then website conversion, then user activity, what they are doing with your website. Know what are the user with that particular website. Follow every step and you can do the analytics related to the data, customer report and the other things which are available in the website. Now this statistic is available, you can check it. Using this statistic, you can find out how the website is useful, what are the products are available on the website and how the survey is taken by the customer. So this facility is also available, and without programming, you can get the analytics and the statistic related to that particular business. This is the complete statistic is available. I have taken one particular sample website and I have done the analytics for that particular website. Here you can see the pages visited by the visitor, the mobile devices they are accessing through the mobile devices or they are accessing through the PC also, that also you can check it. So that at the time of development of the website, you can decide that particular website should be available on the smart device phones or the smart devices or only for the desktop. That also we can decide. Now next service, that is the customer survey. Here it is a very simple one, and generally in the news channel we always see the survey. They do the survey and they do the analytics. On the basis of this customer survey analytics, they give the prediction for any particular budget prediction or the election. Before the result declaration of the election, they give the prediction who is going to win that particular election on all these things. So such type of facility is available in the Google customer survey. The Google customer survey is the business product by the Google, and that gives the facility for the market research. The Google survey provides both the web interface as well as it will give you the design survey with the audience and takes the survey. Google receives the money from business customer such as the market research firms, small business, and they create the survey. But all the customer they can get their prediction as well as the survey on the Google side. Every time user respond to that particular server, then publisher gets the money for that. This is a simple example. Suppose 3 logos are given over there, and just Google customer survey is asking for which logo is better. Customer survey is open to everyone. If you are filling that particular survey, then you can analyze that survey, and such type of analysis is available on the Google survey, so that you can decide which type of logo is more popular, and then you can use this logo for your business purpose. This is the one short example, but you can do this customer survey for your business using the Google product. And again, this is the cloud based. That means it is available through the website and it is available for everyone. Next service is Google Correlate. Now many times I do not know the exact information for the searching on the Google, but I have information, and on the basis of the information which is available with me, I want to correlate with the other product. Suppose I'm a research scholar about the cloud computing, and I want to find out what are the papers available in this particular domain. I do not know the exact name of the paper. I do not know the exact author of the paper. But I am having the domain and I want to correlate whether my particular research is available on the other side, so that I can check, I can correlate my research with the other researcher. So for that particular facility, this is research purpose. In the product or any business also, anyone can find out or correlate their product with the other products. For that particular purpose, the Google Correlate is the facility available. This is the tool which enables you to find the queries for the similar pattern to the target data series. Means similar pattern you will get. You can put some information, and on the basis of some information you will be getting related information. In the search engine, generally we put the keyword. On the basis of keyword, we get the information. Here we are giving the some related information and we are getting some correlated information. That is the difference between the correlate and the search. Google Correlate uses the IP address information from the server logs and to make the best guesses about where the queries is organized. So that way you are getting the more related information. This is the one of the example. I have given some example and I search for the correlation. So I am getting the time series for that, and using that particular domain we can go near to that particular information and we can find out the exact information after getting the knowledge about this information. Next service is the Google AdWord. Now AdWord means advertising agency. So advertising, for giving the advertisement, it is very costly for the global purposes. So what we can do, we can publish your advertisement, your advertise on the Google platform. So it will be available to the all Google users. And Google is a very popular, well-known product. I hope everyone is using Google every day once in a time. Minimum. It's okay. So for that, what is the use of that? Suppose I publish that advertisement related to the phone, mobile phone. So suppose some customer is searching the information related to the mobile phone. Automatically this advertisement will pop up with this information. Means I'm interested to buy a new phone and someone is publishing their mobile phone advertisement. So whenever I put a information searching for the mobile phone information, so I will be getting the link for the mobile phone, but the parallelly I will be getting the information, means the this advertisement related to the mobile phone. This is the paid service, and you need to decide for how many times it should publish and when it should be published. The Google is where the people search for what to do and where to go and what to buy. At that time, automatically it will publish that particular advertisement. Your ad can appear on the Google at the every moment someone is looking for the product or the service. Got it? The Google ads can work for the almost any advertising budget. Set a monthly budget, or you can set for the monthly, weekly or daily. Suppose it should be published on that website 100 times daily. So after 100 times it will stop automatically because it is a paid service. Now look at this example. Using this example, someone is trying to find out the information related to the iPod, and whenever we are getting the information related to the on all product, the right hand side there is a advertisement. The advertisement will be published and you will get the information related to this product. This not only the information with a text matter, but you will be getting the advertise. At the top of the page, you will see 2-3 advertisement is there, and on the small box AD is written. AD means advertisement. So advertisement is there. You can directly open it. If you are interested with the information, no need to open the advertisement, but it is the facility given by the Google. Now this is the simple way to create your own advertisement. Go to the AdWord homepage, then follow the guideline and you can read the complete information because it is a paid service. You can select your password, create your first campaign for that particular button, then enter the daily budget. You can set your bid, write your advertisement text and whatever you want to give the advertisement. Then you will find yourself for the billing tab. You will find yourself for the review tab also, and it will start publishing whenever you release that particular advertisement. So this advertisement is also available, and again it is a cloud-based service. It is available everywhere. Now interesting service by the Google Earth means you can not only open or search the information, text information, but you can open and search information which is available on the earth. It is a very nice and very informative information. You can get it through the Google Earth. It is a computer program that renders a 3D representation of the earth based on the satellite images. The program maps the earth by superimposing satellite images, aerial photographs, as well as the GIS data onto the 3D globe, allowing user to see the sites and the land space using the various angles. You can view the entire earth on your machine. No need to go physically over there because 3D images are available. The users can explore the globe by entering addresses and coordinate or by using the keyboard or the mouse. It is your choice how to explore that, but you can explore the entire earth on your machine. In addition to the Earth navigation, the Google Earth provides a series of other tools through the desktop application. Addition to the globe of this earth, you can search on the moon as well as the Mars is also available, as well as the tool for the night sky. So this is a very good and interesting facility. Those are interested to explore the entire earth. The special Earth engine is available with the Google, and it is a cloud computing platform for processing the satellite images. It provides access to a large database of the satellite images and the computational power needed to analyze those images. Google Earth Engine allows the observation of the dynamic changes in agriculture, natural resources, climate of the earth for that particular 16 days. Every 16 days it changes. Means you can observe what was the previous map or the agricultural condition were there, and after 16 days what is the condition. Means suppose you are having a particular land and you are doing some agriculture products on that particular land. No need to go there. Directly you can sit at home and you can explore what is happening there. After 16 days, what is the changes, what are the changes, natural resources are available, what is the climate and everything. You will be getting the entire information at your place. The Google Earth Engine has become a platform that makes the Landsat and the central to that data easily accessible to the researcher in the collaboration with the Google cloud storage, because every information is stored in the Google, and this particular information is accessed on your machine. These are some examples. Here you can search the city as well as the forest area, agriculture area, map, then the street maps also available. This is the complete street map. Before going to that particular place or before visiting the place, and you can check it, that complete map, and it is accessible. You can zoom it, you can click on that particular location, you will get the more refined map over there, and you can find the exact position before going there. Next facility is Google Map. Google Earth and the map both have the different facility. Here you will be getting the complete idea about the location and the direction also, and how to reach there. The Google Map is a powerful tool that's become the more efficient at suggesting the routes, offering the detailed option for the public transit and the nearby point interest. You can find out before reaching to that particular place. It will guide you how to reach to that particular place. The Google serves up direction for driving, walking, biking, and the public transit. The four-wheeler as well as the two-wheeler option is also available. Walking option is also available. It will suggest you the shortest path. When you select the driving option, you can ask the Google suggest the route and avoid the toll tax, then highway, then ferries and all these things you can avoid it. Similarly, the public transit you can choose, and you can prefer the mode for the transportation. According to your mode of the transportation, you can select the Google Map, and the Google Map will guide you. This is the complete location, and if you want the complete location with a very small places, you need to zoom it using the keyboard and the mouse. You can search the place, you can highlight that particular place, and you can get the complete information before reaching to that particular place. This is again the complete location for that, and these are the some good feature. You can save your home address as well as the workplace address or wherever you are going, and then Google will search you. Google will suggest you the best possible route for going that particular place. Get driving and the walking direction. See the public transit schedules. Add the multiple stop to your route. You can add the stop also there. Share your current location. You can use that particular map for the booking the cab like Ola and all these things. Then for the indoor map also you can check it. Create the share list, and you can view the location where you are visited in the previous history using the previous history. Use the two-wheeler or the four-wheeler. Two-wheeler for the shortcuts. Wherever four-wheeler is not possible, but the two-wheeler can reach there, you can find out that particular map. You can take that particular map offline also. Once you save this particular map, use it offline, means every time internet is not available, that time also you can use it. Visited places also you can find out using the history, and then you can suggest what is the correct direction for visiting that particular place. This is for the searching. You can give the source location and the destination. From the source to the destination, you can find out the shortest route, four-wheeler route. You can find out how much time is required to reach there. You can find out perfect kilometer distance, aerial distance, as well as the kilometer distance also you can search it. Now two-wheeler mode I have already explained you. You can find out the different location and you can check it. Now this facility is very nice in the current scenario, like this current scenario is a COVID. Because of the COVID we cannot go out, but we need to meet with each other. Today also we are conducting this lecture through the distance and the online mode. So there are lot many facilities are there and lot many tools are there for the online lectures, online meetings and all. The Google Meet is a totally free of cost, and with your email ID account only you can start your meeting, and directly you can start your meeting on your mobile phone or your desktop, no matter. This is a real time multi-way audio video communication service developed by the Google using the browser only. You can access it through the browser. It allows to share the video, desktop and presentation and other. You can teammates, you can connect your teammates, other customer, you can share their views, audio and the video, and everything is available there. So you can conduct your meeting through the Google Meet. Integration with the Google Calendar and the Google Contacts is possible. Google Calendar is also a good facility. If you schedule your meetings and the other things in the calendar, automatically you will get the reminder for that as per your setting. Suppose you set reminder should be before 15 minutes of that particular event, you will get that reminder. Google Contacts is also there. Using this contact, you can join the person, those are available in the Google for the meeting and for the other purposes. The screen sharing to present the document, spreadsheet, presentation, and the other browser tab is also available. So this is a very nice facility, and very quickly you can access this facility without any external help. Using your Google account, you can access this facility. Now, one more interesting Google service, that is the Google Fit. Nowadays, everyone is conscious about their health. But this health data, how to store and how to read the history, means before 1 year, what was the status, after 1 year, what is the status, how we are using our health tips, how we are connecting other devices, wireless devices or the wired devices with your Google. This is the Google cloud-based service. Your data is stored in a cloud and you can access through your mobile phone. Okay, so Google Fit is a part of Google Play service and the single cloud storage record for all your fitness app. You can use any fitness app like a Google Fit and you can collect this data. This data will be available on the cloud and you can read that data using your mobile phone. Okay, the third party app also you can use for that particular purpose, and you can store your complete data on a cloud. User can track the health data using the multiple devices as well as the app. Some smart watches are there, some apps are there, some mobile phone is also having the facility to record your total step, how many calories diet you have taken and all this thing. Plus, addition to that, some Bluetooth devices also you can connect for weight. You can check your weight and you can store that particular reading in a cloud. Plus, glucometer is there. You can connect the glucometer with that with the help of app. This app can access users' fitness history, supports inserting, deleting query and previously store fitness data. You can import that data in the Google Fit and you can read it. Access the data directly from the Bluetooth devices and you can connect to the Google. App can find the nearby devices and they can store the data from that particular devices. So this is also very interesting service by the Google Fit. Now this is the last service I am discussing in today's class, that is the Google Group. Like a Google Meet, nowadays there is a essential facility to create a group for the discussion purpose or interest. Whenever you are having the same interest people, they need to share their views, they need to share their opinion, document, and they can discuss with each other, though they person are known person with each other or the unknown person, but they can log in with the Google group and they can form their own group and they can discuss their ideas. The Google group is a service from the Google that provide the discussion groups for the people sharing the common interest. Google Group allow any user to freely conduct and access the discussion via either the web interface or via the email. For any discussion, if you are putting the new information, you may get the mail or you can directly access that particular information with the web interface. Members can take use of the Google Group user interface to interact with each other. Question answer forum is also available and they allow the discussion around the specific question. Anyone can put a question, others will discuss on that, and you can store everyone's opinion. And after that, you can do the analysis also. So, this particular service is very wonderful service for creating the virtual group. Means physically no need to go there, but same interest people you can find on the globe. The entire globe is there and you can check who are the interested person in that particular area. You can connect them and you can share your idea and you can discuss. Collaborative inbox, that particular facility is also available. Means whosoever is sending the email, that will be visible to everyone. Everyone can access that email from the group, and this group facility is given by the Google. It is a free of cost. That way, there are many more services are available, and I hope we have discussed lot many services from the different area. The Google has a many more services. We have covered many more services in the today's lecture, and I would like to say thank you to the participants as well as the organizer for conducting this lecture and participants for the joining the lecture and taking the advantage of the Google services. Now forum is open for question answer. I request the participant they can ask the question and they can discuss with me. Thank you so much. Now, I give this particular control to the organizer.
Any questions from the audience?
There is no questions from audience, ma'am.
Okay, sir. My email was there. Use
Yeah,
it. They can
they
send me the
require
query
only.
on my email.
Yeah, they require only your PPT, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
That is happen. No questions. They are all the comments are very well, which is useful to us. Like the very effective information given and got like that. Okay.
Thank you,
No,
sir.
no questions from ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Now I
Proceed
call
again.
Professor Suhasini to give the vote of thanks.
Good evening, all. On behalf of PG and Research Department of Master of Computer Applications, DG Vaishnav College, I take this opportunity to thank our webinar speaker, Dr. Urmila Shavankar, for enlightening us with her knowledge. The webinar was interesting and informative, ma'am. The presentation has given an overview of cloud and the various services provided by the Google, such as analytics, Correlate, Google Scholars, etc., and its purpose. I hope participants are benefited from this webinar, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. We thank our secretary, Mr. Ashok Kumar Mundraji, and the principal, Dr. Santosh Babu, for his enthusiastic and support. We would like to thank our beloved HOD, Dr. T. Santanam, for his guidance and moral support. A special thanks to the faculty coordinator, Dr. T. Velmurugan, who has initiated this webinar in short span of time. I also thank the teaching staffs for their unflinching support and coordination. Our heartfelt thanks to all participants who have made this program a successful. With these warm words, we move to the end of this webinar. Thank you, thank you, thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, sir, shall we leave?
அடுத்து பேசு.